What's going on, guys? Today we're out here at the Covered Bridge community by Ashton Woods Homes in Hutto, Texas. This is a new community that opened up not too long ago, and they have a lot of different floor plans and beautiful homes available for sale. I'm going to showcase their model home for you guys today, the Knox, which is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath. The price range of this one is around $500, $550, depending on the level of upgrades and the location of the lot. They also have plenty of other floor plans and homes available for sale, which I will show with you guys in the group as well. Yeah, let's go take a look at it. I put more details about the tax rate, about the HOA in the description below. Let's go take a look at this one. Again, this is the Knox floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 4 full bath. As we enter, we have the study to the left. Storage space before we enter the rest of the house. The staircase that goes to the other 3 bedrooms. And here we go with the living room. The tax rate of this community is 2.1% of the appraised value. And because there are no amenity centers or anything like that, the HOA is only $20 a month. So if you're a type of person that is not really interested in using the amenities, this could be a great option for you. You can see we have a really nice, large open kitchen. Ashton Woods does do a really good job on their selections. The really big difference that they have with other spec builders is that they have 5 or 6 different package options which you can choose from and make your home custom with that. Instead of giving you all the separate choices one-on-one, they just package them up so that you can choose and make the decision making a lot easier for yourself. Look at the backyard. This one has a nice covered patio. This community is less than 5 minutes driving to the HEB Plus on Gaddis School Road. We got the YMCA and Costco also within 5 minutes of driving, which makes this community a really convenient place for the homeowners. As you can see, they do a really good job on picking those selections. Got a pantry. Closet. And here we go with the master bedroom. Huge walk-in shower. and a decent sized closet. One more look at the master bedroom. This house is around 2,900 square feet. As of right now, Ashton Wood is offering 5 to 7% flex cash on their move-in ready homes, which I will also put those inside of the group for you to check out. And this is the most expensive home that they have. That's around 530,000. Most of the other homes are in the 400s. So this is the secondary bedroom downstairs with a full bath and walk-in shower. And this is where the laundry is located. Let's go check out upstairs. If you'd like to know how you can position yourself to negotiate with builders and get a better price on your home, consider downloading our strategy guide on 7 steps on how to buy a new construction home from the description below. So we have a nice loft. One more bedroom here. Which has the access to my favorite part of the house, this front porch. If you weren't familiar with it, hippos are the mascot of Hutto's high school, and so if you become a resident here, you'll start seeing the hippos all around. The third bedroom. A walk-in closet. This one has its own full bath. We have a lean-in closet right here. Oh, so what was in the front, that was either a game room or a media room, because we have 3 more bedrooms over here. So that's a nice bonus, and I apologize for giving misinformation. That first room was not a bedroom, was actually looked like more of a movie room. So we got another bath. So if you have a large family and you want a brand new home, this is perfect. Every kid will get their own bedroom, as well as the game room to come and play with each other. And a huge walk-in closet on this bedroom. well, that's it for this beautiful home. Let me know what you guys like about it, what didn't you not like about it. And if you're thinking about relocating to the Austin, Texas area and you want to buy a brand new home, consider booking a one-on-one consultation from the description below. I'll be happy to speak with you and go over what your needs are and help you in this process. Thank you again. My name is Mirshad Afshar, and I'll see you in the next video. So this is the street that most of the available quick move-in homes are located at, and you can find a smaller single story for around $410,000 and some of the bigger ones that are listed in the $520 and that price range. As you can see, these are kind of the combination of modern and traditional. So, it's something that I think I can like. As I mentioned, they have about a 7% flex cash towards these homes. So let's say if you want to buy a home at $500,000, they will give you an additional $35,000 to buy down the rate or use towards closing costs, or maybe even reduce the price of the home depending on what your situation is. So they have a good deal going on, and I think they will be open to offers as well. They have plenty of homes available. Half of the street is sold, but half of it is still available. So let's take a look at these homes. I really liked that one and I wanted to video that, but then I saw the sold sign. Of course, the pretty one won't last long. And so yeah, if you're interested in one of these homes, or someone that is interested in one of these homes, here's my contact information, or you can get a one-on-one consultation through the link below. See you next time. Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Austin and the suburbs? Well, consider joining our Facebook group community, where we share all the exclusive deals and best offers by different home builders. Buying a brand new home can be quite overwhelming. You're gonna have to drive to different communities, talk to numerous sales agents to find out what kind of deals and offers they have. Well, lucky for you, we've done the legwork. All you have to do is join our Facebook group and gain access to these deals on a daily basis. Simply look for the link tree on the bottom of this video or in the description of our bio. Click on joining the Facebook group, fill out a quick questionnaire, and you get access to these deals on a daily basis. See you there. Are you serious about buying a brand new construction home in the Austin, Texas area? Then consider downloading our 7 steps on how to buy a brand new construction home. Inside, I share 6 years of experience working with various different builders. You'll learn how the process works from start to finish. You learn how to choose the right builder that matches your needs, and then also what key questions to ask to put yourself in a strong negotiation position with these builders. Don't go in unprepared. Trust me, download this guide and you'll thank yourself later.